the Ilikai Hotel and Luxury Suites is a historic, oceanfront high-rise landmark located in Ala Moana Boulevard at the western end of Waikiki in Honolulu, Hawaii. Opened in 1964, it was Hawaii's first luxury high-rise hotel, designed by architect John Graham, also known for the Seattle Space Needle. The building features a U-shaped design, originally planned as apartments before conversion mid-construction to a combined hotel condominium structure, including an iconic glass exterior elevator up to a rooftop restaurant. The Ilikai gained pop culture fame as the backdrop in the opening credits of the original Hawaii Five-0, with Jack Lord on the penthouse balcony. Suites come with full kitchens, with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, spacious bathrooms, private balconies and lanai, high-speed Wi-Fi, and complimentary movie rentals. Reviewers highlight the spaciousness and comfort of suites, especially the ocean view units. The location is highly praised, walkable to Ala Moana Center, beach lagoons, restaurants, and shopping. Most guests felt no car was needed. Guests enjoy daily extras like free bottled water, ice cream scoops, live Hawaiian entertainment on Fridays, and movie rentals. On-site options include coffee shops and cafes, a restaurant, convenience store, and activities like surf rentals and Friday night live shows. Nearby attractions include the Hawaii Convention Center, Ala Moana Beach Park, the International Marketplace, and easy access to Diamond Head, Bishop Museum, and downtown Honolulu. Ilikai Hotel and Luxury Suites blends a storied past with contemporary comfort. It's well-suited for travelers seeking spacious suites with kitchens, sweeping ocean or marina views, and a prime Waikiki location, all with the convenience of on-site amenities and proximity to major attractions. While some privately rented condos may vary in quality, booking directly through the hotel ensures updated accommodations and consistent service. Two complex feature outdoor pools, one on the second level with partially submerged lounge chairs, plus sun deck seating and pool umbrellas. The complex also includes a fitness center, a full-service spa, laundry facilities, valet parking, luggage storage, 24-hour front desk, and multilingual staff.
最高ですよね。ということは初海外初そうなんですよ。